everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn a normal photo into a flat illustration using Canva. It's super easy and only takes a minute. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Canva and then create a new designs, or you can also open your old designs and then just upload your photo and then just click on it and then just click on Ask Canva, this one. And then on here, just type your prompt. For example, I want to type like this. Like this, you can just copy my prompt, or you can also tweak it as you like. Just make it as you need. And then after that, just simply click on submit. And okay, like this, the result is so cute. And to add to design, just click on the add to designs like this. The result, it looks so cute like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.